Hello, I'm Shaun Weston, Managing Editor of FoodBev.com. At the PPMA Show in Birmingham recently, I saw a presentation by John Quinn, a technologist from Marks & Spencer. I asked him about the challenges and frustrations of helping to drive automation into the manufacturing industry. Basically, just to summarise a lot of your answers to some of the questions, you're basically trying to push the industry at large to innovate.
Yes, there's no innovation. It's all stayed the same. I've come here for 3 years. You've got the same robots doing the exact same things, and I think that some of the guys run into the fact that they're going to do these big presentations and the solutions aren't fit for purpose, and they need to start thinking about what they've got rather than trying to crack, what's that expression, crack a nut with a hammer? Yeah. Simple as that.
So I get the impression that this isn't the first time you've done this presentation.
I've done one to the FMEG, Food Manufacturing Engineering Group, run by Professor John Gray from the University of Manchester in conjunction with Barra a couple of months ago, and that's how I've ended up here today. And it's basically happy to get the message out as far as possible going forward, because if we don't start doing that question about how can you justify automation, it has to be done, because we don't, ready meals, it's a very strong statement to say, but they could get to the stage where they become very expensive. People maybe can't afford to buy them.
Are you an optimist?
I'm an optimist. We'll get there, and part of some courses I've been on recently is be your own brand, is go out and sell yourself. So, I mean, I'm happy to go and work with people, challenge ideas, and try and innovate and try and change the ready meal industry, and I think I've got a couple of years to try and do it. But yes, I think we'll get there. We have to get there.
I hope this is the last time I see this presentation.
Well, I hope my next presentation will be sort of standing up here saying, happily, I've automated the P, or we've automated the P, yippee-doo, and we've now maybe got a different way of packing products as well, because I think the day of human beings tipping stuff into trays is coming to an end, has to come to an end.
I agree.
Because they also add foreign bodies like hair and the odd nail and the odd bits and pieces that we unfortunately get back every so often.
Thanks again for downloading this podcast. For more news, analysis, opinion, interviews and multimedia for the food and beverage industry, go to foodbev.com.